In the next 12 months, someone's going to build an AI that can legitimately close deals, start to finish, without a human. It will answer the phone, negotiate, handle objections, create emotional buy-in, send the contract, and close the sale. And when the AI exists, it will create a billion-dollar company. So we decided, why shouldn't that company be us? Let me show you the real problem in sales today. Businesses aren't losing deals because of bad leads. They're losing deals because reps aren't calling fast enough, most reps avoid tough conversations, managers review calls way too late, and nobody practices ever. Sales teams are leaking thousands of dollars every single day because the human parts of the process fail. Speed the lead, which is how fast a human can reach them, missed calls, which means missed opportunities, reps requiring accountability, and the massive difference between A players and everyone else. AI didn't come along to replace salespeople. It came along to expose how much money companies are leaving on the table. And so we built Objection Proof AI, a full stack AI for sales, basically into 3 parts. Number 1, an AI sales rep. Answers inbound calls instantly, calls 100+ leads at once, books appointments 24/7, and live transfers hot leads. The second one, an AI sales manager, scores every call instantly, catches every mistake, tracks performance over time, and eliminates weekly review delays. And third, the AI roleplay bots. Reps practice with dozens of personalities. No more training on real leads, instant feedback, unlimited reps. These 3 systems alone have already produced mind-blowing numbers. So let's just look at one of our clients, Nick Perry.
I see in a very short period of time, this will outpace humans. It already has. Just with the 1,100 leads that we've got through it, it's produced $400,000 in projected revenue so far. It's got 22 contracts. I hit you guys this morning. I said, let's open this up so we can do more with it.
He ran 1,100 leads through our AI, and it resulted in 22 contracts, $405,000 in projected revenue in just 2 months. Same leads, same market. The only change, the only difference was AI. And we've also reviewed over 700,000 sales calls. It sees patterns humans can't possibly fathom seeing. It coaches reps faster than any manager can, and most importantly, it eliminates inconsistency. Here's where things get really crazy. Right now, businesses pay humans thousands of dollars every single month to answer calls, qualify leads, follow up, handle objections, and transfer hot leads. But what if an AI could do 80% of that better, faster, and cheaper? If an AI can close deals at even 80% of a good human rep, every business in the world will adopt it. That's not a question of if it's going to happen, it's a question of when that's going to happen. So here's the part we've actually never talked about publicly. In Q1 of 2026, we're building our own proprietary LLM, our own large language model, trained exclusively on sales. Not on Reddit, not on Wikipedia, not on some generic internet text, trained on specifically our objection proof framework, and trained on hundreds of thousands of calls, real sales calls, not general intelligence, sales intelligence. So what will our LLM do exactly? This model will be able to talk to prospects, navigate emotions, isolate objections, create certainty for the prospect, negotiate pricing, close the deal, and send the contract. All of this without a human being involved. This is not science fiction anymore. This is the logical evolution of what we're already doing today. Here's how billion-dollar companies are made. You find a problem that hits every industry. Everybody has this problem, and you solve it with technology. Then you scale it globally. If we build the world's first AI that can consistently close deals in real estate, in solar, in roofing, in insurance, in software as a service, in finance, in appointments, in recruiting, that becomes one of the most valuable AI products on earth. $500 billion in global sales, millions of reps, trillions of dollars in deal volume. This isn't about replacing people, it's about amplifying them and giving every business the ability to scale without limits. We're just at the start of a 10-year AI wave, and the next 6 months will determine who wins. We're building the first AI that can follow a sales framework, talk to real customers, and eventually close sales autonomously. So if you want to follow us on our journey and together with us build the future of sales, or you want to see what Objection Proof AI can already do today, subscribe, engage with us, or check out our socials below. We're building a $1 billion company, and we're just getting started.